Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to test out your permission settings for certain roles and how to view this server as that role. This can be super useful if you're wanting to make sure some users have some access with their role and some users don't have access. So one of the main differentiators in this server between the mods and another role is that of course, mods have different access, different settings to create things and to add people and whatnot. So let's go ahead and go up here to the down arrow, and then I'm going to go to server settings. All right, then we can go to roles, and then if we click over here, so I currently have, I'm pretty sure I'm the mod, even though I'm not a member, but we can go ahead and view server as that role. You can see here that a lot has changed. We can create an invite, but we don't have a lot of the other settings, and some of our newer categories, like I know there's like a Pokemon one and other things, those are not seen and not viewable. So that is super useful. You can also change the role here. Now you can change it to mods, trainers and mods, just mods, what have you. But that's how it is. All right, but that's how you view it as someone else and how to see the different settings and the different changes that you've made for different roles within the server. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.